this particular case, the resource persons opted and asked for an executive session, which was granted by the court or by the ICI. They cited sensitive and private information that might be divulged during their testimonies, and the commission saw it fit to allow an executive session. They manifested that they had fears with regard to how it will be affecting their families. At the same time, there might be some people that they may be mentioning. These are all in the guidelines. So, hindi naman magagrant ng commission yun kung it is not in accordance with the guidelines. Ang isa pang nakalagay doon is if the information, if divulged to the public, would affect the investigation of the commission. May mga information na maaaring dapat talagang as executive or in confidence so that the investigation will proceed without any hitches, with any problems. Kasi gusto ng commission is makakuha ng maraming ebidensya, maraming information for us to be able to arrive at the truth. Now, kung mafo-frustrate yung investigation, then that is a ground for the commission to grant the executive session.